So this is my program. It's supposed to take a list like this, and it basically goes about to the center of the list and takes that value, compares it, see if there's anything greater, 92. And it goes see if there's anything less than 48, 14. So 14 is going to go where 92 is, and 92 is going to go over to where 14 is, and it just keeps swapping the values until the whole list is sorted. So as you can see, I have list sort, find index value, a recur list sort, swapping index value, and then I print out the final thing, and then these are my test cases to be able to run them. I could put this in a main, which would actually make this a lot easier, but anyways, we'll just go ahead and run that right now. Takes a second for it to boot up. As soon as it does, let me just scroll back up to that first list so we can actually compare the two. So as you can see, last round it goes 3, 4, 5. So it goes from least to greatest. So it started out as this. Now, if you wanted to see it with a different list, all I would have to do is take that, switch the two, make it a little more syntax friendly, run it again. Gives it a second to load. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then essentially what it's doing is it's taking the 3 and seeing that 5 is greater than it, 1 is less, switches those two. Then it sees that 4 and 2 and it switches those two. And then it starts on the left side of this index, sees if those values need to be switched, and then the right side of the index sees if those values need to be switched. It basically keeps on cutting the function in half until all of it is switched throughout the entire thing. Anyways, all my test cases go over this. You have an unsorted list and a sorted list. Unsorted list is supposed to be the sorted list. The sorted list is equal to the sorted list since it's already sorted, nothing needs to change. The negative list, this one gave me the most troubles, all because of one line of code, and it comes out to be that. Shows that negatives is not. So once they're all asserted, it shows that everything works. The reason it took so long to figure out is because one of my lines of code in here was throwing it off. I'm pretty sure it was this one. So it kept on saying that greater than index was 0, and so it would switch it with itself and break the program. So after adding this single line of code, it fixed it for negatives. Anyways, that's my program. And stop.